Good day, friends. As a YouTuber, one of the things I enjoy most is when my video gets some plays and there's feedback. And I love when users take time to let me know it's cool, and then I like to share the love back. So check out how easy it is to use cards to give the users that comment in your channel a little bit of props. So first, click on the user that you think you want to add, and that takes you to their channel, which gives you the channel ID up top. Copy that and then find the video that you want to add the little shout out to them in. I'm gonna add the shout out to my tic-tac-toe project that I'm doing, and you simply click edit video. On the very top of it, you switch to cards. You could watch your video all the way across, but I'm just gonna go to the last 30 seconds. I'm gonna click add card. I'm gonna promote another person's channel. When I paste that in, that gives me the channel. I can say special thanks to Ethan, and my text will be a subscriber shout out, and I'm gonna make it 2 words and hit create card. So then the next time this video plays, I'm gonna go back because it's saved. There is a cool little eye, which is for information, and you can see the special thanks to Ethan, just like that, and it takes you right to their channel. Your video still stays in the background. Boom, the people that you're watching get some mad props. So friends, if you get a chance, make sure you give your viewers a little bit of a shout out, and if you like this movie, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, click that notification bell. Last but not least, if you want a shout out, it's never a bad idea to try and add some comments, and I will throw one up there. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, friends.